Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a Western style omelet. Let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to start off by heating up the pan. We're going to keep it at a medium-high heat. We're going to add one tablespoon of butter in there. Now we're going to take our 4 eggs. We're going to put them in our cup here. Then we're going to use our fork and we're going to whisk up those eggs into a orange mess. Alright, now that those are whipped up, our butter's just about ready. We're going to get that flowing around the whole pan so we got a nice coating. Now we're going to add our eggs. To that, we're going to add some of our pico de gallo on one side. And then we're going to sprinkle on our 4 cheese. Now it's just about ready. We're going to push around at the sides a little, make sure it's not sticking. And we want to flip half of it on top of the other half. Now we're going to let that finish frying up, and then we're ready to plate. Alright, now that we're ready, we're going to turn off the heat. And we're going to remove it from the pan onto our plate. And there we have our beautiful omelet. We're going to slice into there. See that nice gooey cheese and all that beautiful stuffing in there. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.